So this is our fire panel. A quick little display here. This is the user code. That's why I've got that disabled right now. This is the 4100 series Miniplex. Batteries inside. So this is the overview of the whole system. It's a big system, big building. So these are all kinds of little goodies inside. I don't want to open it up because that can possibly set off the alarm. Let's see. I think there's something else in here. Nope. So our other panels up in the other room. This is the downstairs system. This is just this is our main control room here. The display is faded away a little bit, so it's not in the nicest condition, but it's also very old. Like I said, 4100 series. It's quite an old system here. So that's pretty much it for this. I'll attach the signaling sounds with this